Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to register or to upload a file to your Google Drive, and also how you're going to synchronize it to your description as YouTubers. First of all, let us sign in to our email, jackson.com. By holding on the, you can see when you come here, you click new and you click file up, then you select the file, but it depends where you save it. For my file, it is saved in desktop, so you can find here. I'm going to upload exercise, then I click open. It is uploading. You can see it is already uploaded. Upload complete. Then you click here. I can reload. You can see I have it here. This is our Excel file that I uploaded. I'm going to show you how I'm going to put it in a description of a YouTube video. You click here on a right click. You come here on share. You scroll it up to share. You click on it. It is going to download. It's going to show you how it looks like. This is my email. This is how it is. General access, you click on it, then you click on this arrow here. It's going to say restricted, but as I'm saying, anyone with the link, this is a viewer. As you can see, viewer on the viewer, commenter, and editor. But here, anyone can access on it. And then once I click done as this, and come back here also again, share, and you see I can click the link. I copy on the link, then I get a copy of the link. This is done. The next step, guys, is how to copy the link that we copied on the previous part. You come here on your YouTube channel. Yes, display it. You come here on video. As you can see, it upload to another dashboard, and as you can see, I have the program video that will be uploaded soon. You come here on details, and you come here on description. Scroll down here. Maybe you can edit by put your link, and scroll down, and you paste it here. Ctrl V. You see, this is a link of the Excel file that's going to help you to practice. This is our end of this video. Thank you very much. I was showing you how to upload a link to a description that shows an Excel file or another document that's going to help you viewers to practice what you have been teaching. I think that this video is helpful. If you found it helpful, please thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.